Okay guys, here we go now. Today it's very sunny. It is in morning hours. It is in morning hours. You're welcome once again in our village, Africa, Kenya, Migori County. Welcome once again. Here I am, JP Broga. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, comment, share as we grow together. Okay, the way I was trying to tell you that I will show you the cow that we are feeding through that are there. Let me try to show you. Yeah, those one that we are feeding. There are many, but advanced are inside. So that is how we do feed those animals. Thank you. Continue sharing and comment, and also subscribe.